you get it undone? Oh. You handed it to me. How am I supposed to keep it dry? Put it in my boobs?
How do you turn it?
No, I'm more worried about my wallet.
Daddy, your phone's on.
I know my phone's on.
Daddy, look at that.
I don't really get wet. I really don't.
Don't spray me! Don't spray me! I'm done! I'm done! I'm done again! Oh my gosh! They didn't get me! Spray on the stairs! Oh no! No.
LSD.
Allison, we've got to have that. Their side has to be the front. Hurry, help us turn it.
Help it! Turn it, turn it, turn it! Yes!
Oh, no, not here, Allison.
Does this thing turn? No, it doesn't.
Yeah, they should let you try to turn it yourself. Oh!
I saved my butt!
Please don't get me by the sprayer. That's where you get the wettest. If you don't get soaked by one of them big ones back there. The stupid sprayer at the end is what soaks you.
Yes! 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 Oh, I wish we could turn it! Don't! Don't get me one! Yes! No! 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 I'm gonna get it, bro! This way!
Oh no!
Yay! We can get sprayed!
Oh no! There's the sprayer! Ah!
Hey, I'm spraying! I'm not good at that much! Look at my shirt!
Got a mouthful of water!
My hair!
Glen Coco! Glen Coco! Oh, my hair. My hair's gonna be so messed up.
I'm mad. I'm mad.
Oh no.
I'm really mad.
Oh no. Here comes it. No. No, we're gonna get soaked. We're all getting wet. We're all gonna get wet. Oh no. Yeah, no.
Yay, I didn't get wet!
Whew.
I'm the only one who didn't get soaked.
We did get wet, Allison. We didn't get soaked, but we got wet.
Oh, what if my shoes didn't get soaked?
Oh.
My shoes did.
Look at my shirt. It's free. It was supposed to be this. I know how to do it.
We got lucky. That's all I can say. We got lucky.
Every time I get on, it's like in the water. Every time.
Daddy, is your butt wet? Mine's not.
It's not too bad.
Me either.
Now let's go beat up the people who squirt us.